From the Payment Options tab in the Package Editor, you can create or edit existing payment options and factors. In order to create new payment options, we first need to create deal levels. Now we can add payment options and factors specific to the deal level. Fill in the name of the payment option. This is how it will appear in CloudQuote for the rep. Fill in the period, the frequency, and the escalation. Add a description, which is how it will appear on the quote for the client. Include your factors. And repeat until all of your payment options have been captured. If you have different factor sheets with different deal levels, you can create new deal levels specific to each. Double-check that the factors are calculating correctly by filling in a value in the test field. This will highlight the factor being used and the resulting rental value in the test column. Should you have teams set up in CloudQuote, you can assign existing payment options to specific teams only or apply to all. The amended and newly added payment options and factors will now be available to the reps when quoting. CloudQuote. Click and easy.